Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Snapchat from saving photos to camera roll. So if you want to stop your Snapchat from saving your photos directly to your camera roll, instead you want all the photos, the pictures, the camera, the video, the selfie, Snapchat video you took on Snapchat to remain in Snapchat memory without being automatically sent to your camera roll. Here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you open up your Snapchat on your phone, then you tap on the chat button, which is this icon right here. You tap on it, then you tap on your profile icon. Then you tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon. Once you tap on it, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on this option, which is memories. You tap on it, then you tap on the next option, which is save button. You tap on it. Now from here you are going to change this option from memories and camera rolls to ordinary memories, and with that you will stop Snapchat from saving photos to camera roll on your iPhone. If I did helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.